Imagine, if you will, your life is great. Everything is moving along beautifully. Then bam, out of nowhere, something unexpected happens. Something that as a result, you need a top-notch dentist who will help you quickly, successfully, and for a reasonable price. But how do you know which dentist to choose? Well, like many people, you're going to ask your friends, you're going to ask your relatives for a referral. Well, but what happens if you discover that no one has a good recommendation? And you probably say, I need a good dentist. Well, you could also call around and call dentists and ask them, hey, are you trustworthy? And are you worth your fees? But really, how do you know if they're telling the truth? And suddenly you think, well, wouldn't it be great if I could talk to someone who has actually used that dentist and benefited from his service? So with this in mind, you go to the internet and you start investigating. And then you happen to come across this website for Dr. Potempa. So who is this dentist and what do his patients have to say about him? Well, my name is James Drury, and I've been a patient of his since 1977. And he asked me to put together a testimonial. And you may say, well, this looks pretty slick, but this is what I do for a living. I make videos. I've had 2 root canals with Dr. Potempa over the years. I have various crowns, and I visit M at least twice a year. And I can tell you, without reservation, that you can call a lot of dentists, and there are a lot of good dentists out there. But when it comes right down to it, nobody is going to do a finer job for you at a reasonable fee. Nobody but Dr. Potempa. And that's why I'm making this recommendation without reservation. So if you want a good dentist, call Dr. Potempa. I think you'll be very happy with your decision.